Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, just the 7 C's. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style.
Okay guys, I switched over to the LG G8. Hold on, let me lock. There you go. Across. Go ahead. Alright guys, so yeah. So I don't know if you guys caught that. I don't know if I input it into the vlog, but yeah, we met up with our friends here in Kona over at the old airport, which you probably already saw. Stop repeating myself, but we're over here at a nice spot over here on Aloha Drive, which has a whole bunch of shops and bars. This is our old stomping ground before when I used to live in Kona, guys. Right here in the heart of Aloha Drive area. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, there's some music going off already. Oh wow, there's gonna be some live music tonight, Jess.
Oh yeah?
Look at that. They are preparing. So we're going to go over to Ocean's Sports Bar and Grill right over there, guys. Okay, right there, yeah. Huh? Jack's diving locker right there. There's volleyball right there. Night volleyball if you want.
Wow, I like shoot.
Huh? Jess's old pool shooting area. Huh? Alright. So yeah, this and there used to be a place called Lulu's over there, but I don't know. I think it's still there, but it's under a different name now. Huh? Alright guys, this is our room at the Courtyard Marriott.
This is my bed, that's your bed. Okay?
Oh yeah? We got 2 beds.
Okay.
Are we expecting company, Jess?
No, this is my right here side.
Oh yeah?
That's your side.
Oh my god.
I got a big bed.
Alright, look at that.
Oh my god, it's a rooftop.
We got a rooftop view, guys, but you know what? We got a view of the ocean, Jess. Check it out. Go ahead. Wow, check it out, guys.
Well, we can go out.
You can see it. We can see it.
Wow, right
Look at that. Wow. Go ahead, honey. Go. Oh, let me show the bathroom fast guy there.
Go ahead.
Show the bathroom fast guy to you guys. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. Let's see what we have here. We got a safe.
Oh, safe.
Okay, looking for robes. No, I don't think there's no robes there. Bathroom. Wow. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that.
Very nice.
Woo. Nice amenities. Yeah. Here you go, guys. Looks pretty cool.
I got my own bed.
I know. What's up with that, man?
You have your own. Excuse me.
Let's see what we have here. Ooh, I love these kind of lamps right here, guys. Has an outlet and all that. Oh, no USB. I've seen some that has USB also. But yeah, nice big TV. The cooler for the drinks. What else we got here? Oh, there we go, guys. Refrigerator. Okay. All right, 2 free drinks, Jess. Woo, that is awesome. Coffee. Oh, yeah. So what we also got, guys, let me show you. Okay, so this is what came with our room. 2 welcome drinks, which we'll utilize later. 2 beach chairs. 1 plus 1 day, what's that? 1 umbrella, daily rental. Okay, this is our daily destination amenities fee plus $22 plus that. Okay, this is like the resort fee. This is what's included, guys. There you go. 15-minute use of golf simulator. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. Yeah. Nice, guys. But yeah, what a view, guys. What a view. I wonder if I can fly my drone from here. That would be so cool. Yes, I'm flying my drone from here. I'm gonna fly my drone from here.
Are you sure you can fly your drone right here?
I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe from the parking lot, yeah? Maybe from the parking lot. Yeah, guys, check it out. Nice. Alright, guys. We're here once again. Kailua action. Alright, guys. Yeah, you still remember